It's not about your surname. It's about a simple question. Can you or can you not do it? And you can look at people and conclude whether they can or they cannot do it. And then this idea of, the challenges we've had before. People come before us, like it happened in 2022. The most amusing one is people believe that religion should carry you along. And because we are a religious society, everybody suddenly becomes a good Christian, recites verses in public meetings, starts by saying, Bwana Yesu asifiwe, ndugu na dada, na mimi hata nimeokoka, and those kinds of things. I mean, as a country, we have gone through this conmanship. Surely, it's indeed time for us to now go to the serious business of managing the country. Yeah, because you see, my friends, this is not child's play. Running a country is very serious business, as you have seen. The learning curve can be long. The challenges are there. As President Obama said one time, nobody will tell you the realities of sitting in an office until you get there and wake up in the morning and find that everybody is tuning their radio or TV to listen to you, and the decisions you make are going to affect so many millions of people, as it were. And then you see the kind of things that you have seen have happened in our country. It's indeed therefore necessary for us to now be serious enough and tell people your Christianity and your religion is your private affair. It is very good if you, yeah. It's very good if you are a good man and you love your wife, and that's all you are supposed to do anyway. And you, and how you give your tithe and how you give your offering, that is between you and your God. For us, let us now manage the country. Twende kwa kazi. Let's go to work for our country. Because this is about work.